no tsere omweshongozi Ayiremah so ninde ko tura obulise kushitama soko twemuka 360 360 Arro nukokwe Fridays ntatu yo vibe ntatu bateko vibes za weekend ango tutabagambye to live ahasoho terra so uli murembo Rwampara undakuba part of the program izoto gito hani yatwase kuba catching a vibe. Ayiremah music.
Yeah.
Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Odije banzo twise byeshongoro twise videos shegeza mo fire amanu baresere mingi banzo ramusebe mbakureba TV West
abareba TV West omweshongozi Ayiremah music twabachira elizobanisha nyine vibe
yeah man.
Thank you for hosting me.
Okay. Nature man so nahuramba barukweta omweshongoza kukirayo okworoba Muyimbi achasinzo gona. How true is that? Ice man have you get?
No agambeso.
Ice man. Nijira you know ukakavu. Neka checha kiriza walieri. Nkwateko?
Ningonda guy.
Anyways, muziki kuri ngutambira guta this year musically how are you performing around and whatever byeshongoro no bitambura ninga abantu bakakwikiririza munonga.
This year I've been blessed.
Yeah.
Nimpura shemero munonga. Nimpura ninamani. Kandi ninamani gabantu. So this year has been good for me.
Okay. Nishikshamani minji munonga. Aisma DJ, if you can remember last year tukafuna munonga music kurugombe shongozi bitu na munonga bakazi konkogo mwaka chijanzire chachendera mukache tikumanya obana abo enshonga ya management n'enshonga ya kasente but for you are blessed to have a management karebogo mwaka wa signinga management ensia okaruga kuri yo Burunji ninga
enkaruga yo Burunji mnonga.
Okay so akata rontaro zone
Rontaro zone.
Okay so for management ensia bintu bidyo bitambira bita
more fire. Ukabawa hosting jireho.
Yes, I remember. But there are people that are watching for the very first time.
Nkabana kugambireho nti tinkukunda kushobora kigambo more fire because itself no churiwe niwe no more fire. Just fire.
As abantu nyenda kora list y'abantu barira mugati gwa more fire. Shukran tolimu. Ashukran mumpero muzika.
Omugati gwachi?
Gwa more fire.
Omurichi.
Omugati. Ragabi ate bya Ayiremah. Cause more fire has been here.
Yes.
I
know. Gongo mugani yotika kureberesha. Gwanu guraboko nyuma.
Kacheshe tavula kubanga yali kugo mugati.
Ata onza kutandikira twagaruka nyuma kache mukivuru cha.
Dane mu VP. Na
waka
ya mugati.
Gwa fikfa maika. Ya. Gomugulira bojo banje. Fe twagulyako mwaka guli 2018 aho. Wetwakoma ofe twachifira mba DJ 2018 musajja vanana yatusalira ente namba twagirira akwemiriza katete 2018 ebisere ebyo nga bagamba DJ Iceman yenyini Ice Lounge.
Oh wait, Iceman akatera Ice Lounge.
No.
So we in Iceman bateka.
Yo kan bamu mukamwe baramanya. Oza kula Iceman oza DJ Iceman uzum Ice Lounge ibaba.
Okay.
Kale,
shout out to you, Van Alan, rekatuka Ayiremah. Ayiremah, ogomaka tufunire abeshongozi bingi abali mukaliba yawe, ba female artists, barukola hoka fans and friends, you know, mini show, ningashi, mini concert. We had Simba JK do that, Tuareo Rocky Strong, Arukchikora. Are we seeing something from you, giving back to your fans?
Yeah.
When?
Think prepared nka show.
Yes.
Konka obwiro bwishikirire. Bweto obwiro bwishikirire kubura ishike. Mazimaniza kutaho show.
You know tour. Ne dani ya tour waneno. Dani chimwe biri nkizo soho terrace. Anyways, reka tugamba cheshongoro chawe kisya echeshongoro nagonda.
Okay, nanyenda kumbuza tura gogonga ke mubuze chibuzo.
Okay.
Cheshongoro nagonda.
Where nankano mihanka hii script netandiketa no ho chandichire producer oteleze na video director cha Cheshongoro.
This song is so funny. I had a friend akaba in love issues.
Yes.
So akaachira kuntera njati konkamwana we no manyango na Ayiremah ngonzire. Yeah.
Like Mubiala.
She used to tell me that. Yeah. She used to call me.
I thought it was a he.
No,
Okay.
it was a she. And that no we abirafuna mo disappointment. Angambira that has a guy.
Obwiro bwingi kankusharika chechereme. Obwiro bwingi abeshongozi nibagenda beshere ko muri munwanu wanje akanjira. Kuna rukwemanyisa nwe yagonzire. So oyo tugambira mazima.
Ningamba mazima.
Kali.
So we abirafuna mo disappointment si achibarije nawe angambira. So kwenze ngu yagonda man.
Aura chakuzombo.
Guy he hurts me.
Yeah.
Konkastinyo nimpra. I love him.
Wow.
And I can do anything for him.
Guy namhatinga konko ina omutima nungukimwenda.
Nugumwenda meaning okworo bokwe noba wagonda so nkashita mumuka najant nagonda we don't love wagonda so it's like nagonda
sebo munaku ya munogwe mwefuna hit. Okay, so after yayeza kurabira mu byona wagaruko muka wafuna ka line ni wayonjesirize bugambo ninga ukafuna team yawe and you did magic.
Kabanza nafune jo chorus nafune chorus then nisha nagita hochi nagita hebugambe. Yeah, so that's how I came up with the lyrics.
Okay, then producer audio
Atin. Yeah. Atin, then video Kelon FX. Bit Kelon nawe tomojo witu wakuno. Kelon sharasyo nawe no video sebo yayimba ko yo naye. Ogwa keshongora ho na 4D manager 4D naye yayimba ko. Manager Clifford akeshongoro wire na Kelon bako yandikire byeshongoro konka atuburi omwaka funa omhando gwe Ayiremah. Okay, Shukran. Tutaka ya introduce nje cyeshongoro nagonda ine kibuzo cyo ndakubuza Ayiremah.
Ekibuzo nangu kitakubire cyango munonga kiriyaho. Waza akora music ya Ayiremah jeri yize ne ijam.
Yeah.
Ebyeshongoro bye nibirungi. Kungati tibine promotion ekumara. I think what I confirm na malaika nebyeshongoro birungi konka tinkumanya isibuchiro management ninga abachi music yawe twakujonjera manyi kutipushinga mnonga kujanga at least ebyeshongoro kebe bikabire bi hit unoteka dango kizimu cy'urugangaye.
Ese chuzo chuwambuza chanje so nimba so butatsigarikamo.
Ejesha management nakujimanya niwe nkomweshongozi twatune kukigambira niwe obuzuburingahe ebyeshongo nibirungi konka katare ninja inekikuburamu
nenyimba ngazitambula Shukran.
Enyimba zitambula na yera kibulamu baby kati amanya tusoke tugateke kunagonda wala nagonda we yatuse na yekati.
True, but talking about a hit song. No matter
tujenda
to be no mom town.
Yeah.
But the song I confirm. The song is doing very well.
Abantu confirming
munonga.
Empeta barani bazizwara achesongolecho.
Achesongo chino chitambula konka ali kama tugateka nagonda na hoturebe and okonjeseza nali echo mwana yakatandika mpola step by step taine kutera kabati. Shukran.
Na Ayiremah.
Okay, Ayiremah, what should your fans, Nanabantawe for the very first time expect from you? Kozo mwaka guriyo nguhendera, tuyo tuguhendera, already watire project, so next year, what should we expect?
Nani shaba. Next year, bagumpi.
Gube gugo.
Nani shaba ba fans.
Female artist of the year.
I should be.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
I should carry that. Yeah. Yes, actually next year.
Let's talk about collaborations. Have you had any collabo?
I haven't had, but we're in studio.
So next year we should expect lots of collabos.
Yeah.
Tu bireho.
I think
so. Shongozi kababe the guy. Tu kababit.
Ne mweshongozi yako kwenda kukora nawe so far.
Any like in Western, Central?
Any Central Western Uganda.
Ninkonda Tipol. I would love to work with
effective abuteka wa. So Tipol hona audio no turemera ninga kakirifu kara kwikeho chitere mukatochi Ayiremah agambye agala kola nawe. Next year let's do magic. And then omwihangaliona we hear Western Uganda.
Kundaba B2C.
B2C. B2C Mr. Lee Bobilash Ndyamwachura Delva Julio omo mushi ne hine press conference yinkwijuka tukatu inaho Western Uganda ekabera actually aba B2C ba promising a T-Paul collabo. What happened up to now? So kati T-Paul already akaji yakasambe Ayiremah naye mukwateko ya T-Paul muju replacing mujereze Ayiremah. So Ayiremah ekishongoro cyawe nanisha abantu bahereza akapela na gonda Iceman DJ abase kuba na kitera barebe ba TV wase. But before that ubugamba bwa muheru bagambira bakwenda followinga na bakwenda kuhereza bookings ayiba kwasa kufunera.
Abakwenda kumpa bookings management in Mofire. Kandi Ayiremah ali social media platforms zona Twitter, X, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, honando.
Okay.
My fans, I love you so much. It's nani nyenda kushaba na mnonga. Please give me your ears next year. Give me your ears.
Okay. Lamu hona na ayakwire content ye cheshongoro nagon. Madam Siaro na kure because no you hear cheshongoro. Echu is premiering.
I love you so much, Bella.
Oh, finally Tom Manya Bella. Okay, there you go. Where's up?